Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cosmic Vibes. I salute to the divinity in you. Friends, today I'm going to talk about the trine which is getting activated, which holds lot of value and importance for each and every zodiac. Yes, I'm talking about the trine, the 159 house activation of Kalpurusha Kundli. If we see from the transition perspective, we can easily find that Sun has transited in Leo on 16th of August at 3:57 pm. Mercury the other day, that is 17th August at 5 am. Now at present both Mercury and Sun, they are in Leo in Magha Nakshatra. Similarly, if we talk about 9th house, Jupiter is retro in Sagittarius till 12th of September, and it is transiting there with Ketu. Ketu being in Mula Nakshatra and Jupiter is in Purvashada. And then talking about Aries, the first house, Mars has transited into Aries on 16th August at 3:51 pm. Now, of course, we will later talk about the transition of Mars specifically because it holds a lot of significance. This time it is very unique transition and Mars will be retro for 66 days. But right now we are talking about 159. So Mars, Sun and Mercury and Jupiter and Ketu. These are the planets which are occupying this trine and how it will going to impact each and every sign. Another important point here to observe is that Mars has come out of the Gandanta point to come into Aries. It was transiting in Pisces for last 1 month, and after being there, getting into lot of introspection, soul searching, purification process, finally it has gathered all the energy, braced itself up, and it has come to Aries for action. Similarly, Sun was transiting in Cancer, which is again the watery sign, and it crossed the Gandanta point to come into its own sign of Leo. So we have these two planets which have crossed Gandanta point, another very significant perspective. Let's see for how it holds for each and every zodiac one by one. So now let's talk about how this trine will going to impact Gemini. So Gemini, August month will be contemplative month for your domestic and family issues and the stability. You may find trouble in communicating your feelings and may experience lack of clarity. You need to speak in soft tone and not to be pushy with your ideas when dealing with others. Be more accommodative and lend ears to others' opinion also, else you might come across as arrogant and difficult person. You need to take care of your father's health and may get chance to enjoy some good moments with your father. This month, your confidence and creativity will be at peak and you will be supported by your superiors, which will help you accomplish goals with ease. You are likely to undertake your house renovations or purchase a new vehicle replacing the old ones. This month will give you a lot of short distance traveling opportunities which may expand your work, and you will get chance to enter into new partnerships as well as renew some old partnerships with renewed conditions. It's time to be careful of respiratory problems, and with the prevalent COVID situation, take precautions and avoid unnecessary meetings. ENT, that is ear, nose, throat, being vulnerable and susceptible to infection, you must take adequate preventive measures. Financially, it will be a good month for you and you will get good returns on your past investment, but your expenses will outgrow your earnings. However, the expenses will be done on family, on home front, so it will bring you a lot of joy. For realization of your desires, you need to put extra effort, which will bring you gains in geometric multiples. There will be good timing between you and your spouse. there will be mutual attraction and you both will give time to each other to understand and bond in better way. Your spouse might get a pay hike or promotion or even a new job offer. If you had planned any business in the past, this is the time to execute it. Opportunities will come to you in the form of new ventures and tie-ups. You will enjoy your family support for your endeavors. Do not procrastinate work at hand, as this will lead to overload of work resulting in unnecessary high level of stress. This is the time to enjoy your marital bliss. Go for a long drive and take your relationship to next level. Overall, this is the time to exert yourself confidently, get into fruitful partnerships and trusted collaborations. Use your capabilities and energy surge to take calculated risk and build long-lasting partnerships. You will also get support from friends, groups and organizations using your creative communication skills to support your ideas. A well-executed plan at this point will open new horizons for you, which may bring you windfall gains in future. However, lackadaisical approach may prove counterproductive, so you have to be a little bit cautious about it. Overall, Gemini, be enthusiast but not over enthusiast or dull to march ahead in balanced way. All the best and love you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for all future videos.